Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about this amazing facial kit from NaturesEssence. It contains 5 tubes. First we have D10 therapy wiper mask pre-facial preparation which helps to remove all type of tan. Apply a thick layer of D10 therapy wiper mask over the face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes. Massage the mask into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion. Wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton, revealing visibility brighter, glowing skin. First step is cleanser. Sprinkle water on your face and neck, then apply the cleanser cream over your skin and massage gently with your fingertips in upward strokes for 5 minutes. Wipe off the excess with the wet cotton. Your skin is now clean, fresh and ready for step 2. Step 2 is exfoliate. Apply the scrub over your skin and massage gently in upward stroke for 5 minutes. The fine rice water in the cream gently exfoliate your skin, leaving it clear, smooth and ready for step 3. Step 3 is nourish. Apply the cream in dots over your skin, massage it gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward stroke for 15 minutes. Allow the protein papaya extract in the cream to clear small blemishes. Your skin is now ready for step 4. Step 4 is polish. Apply the pack in a layer over your face and neck. Close your eyes and relax for 5 minutes while the lactic acid in the pack clears and smoothens your skin tone. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and have your face dry.